What are Enterprise Resource Planning, or ERP, modules? An ERP solution automates critical business processes and serves as a shared database for all financial and operational information across a company. The ERP system pulls this data from a number of modules built to help various departments perform their individual functions. Common ERP modules support back and front end functions like finance and accounting, procurement, manufacturing, inventory management, order management, warehouse management, supply chain management, and customer relationship management. More functionally rich systems may also include professional services automation, human resources and workforce management, e-commerce, and marketing automation. With this modular design, an ERP solution should be able to meet the shifting needs of a company, starting with the most relevant modules for the business, then adding more modules to address new needs or challenges as it continues to evolve. Centralizing these modules under one ERP solution enables companies to automate more business processes, making employees more productive by reducing manual tasks and errors, minimizing issues around data accuracy and consistency, and ensuring everyone in the company can access the same information to drive better decision making. Hey, did you like what you learned? Check out these two videos and don't forget to subscribe now.